Now, the corals. What are the corals? Or write a short note on corals. So, corals actually are the polyps. Polyps are the short-lived microscopic organism. These are the microscopic organism, means very small or tiny type of organism known as polyps, which live in colonies, means in group. They flourish in shallow, mud free and warm water. Which type of climate is required? Warm water they can live, and shallow and mud free area. The secret calcium, they secrete calcium carbonate from their body. What they release, that is calcium carbonate, and calcium carbonate it get hardened, okay, when it get dry. The coral secretion and their skeletons form from coral deposits in the form of reefs. Okay, whatever the calcium carbonate they release from their body, and when they get die, their skeleton actually converted into a hardened rock. Reef means a rock. Okay, in this way there is a formation of coral rocks. They are mainly of three kinds: barrier reef, fringing reef and atolls. Barrier reef is a coral reef which roughly lies parallel to the shore and separated from it by a lagoon. Lagoon, a type of lake, we can say, lake found in ocean body. So this is the barrier reef, and the Great Barrier Reef of Australia is a good example of the first kind of coral reef. This is the biggest mountain, biggest coral reef lying with Australia. Okay, coral beta in Hindi it is known as moonga. It is one of the precious stone which we use for jewelry and as a jewelry, okay, in rings and all. So coral actually it is red color stone. It is one of the precious stone. Then fringing is the another reef that grow near coastline, around island or continents. Okay, this is this lies or grow very close to the coastline. Either it could be the island area or it could be the continent area. The third type of coral reefs are the atolls. Atolls actually these are the ring shaped area coral rock, and it is encircled it is actually encircled, it is surrounded, it surrounds a lagoon partially or completely, means a ring type, we can say a circular form of rock. Atolls are circular horseshoe shaped coral reefs. Okay, so this was the corals. Here also a question comes, write a short note on corals. Now here you can see this is the Great Barrier, this is the barrier reef, and here you can see beta this is the atoll. Atoll you can see this is the lagoon. It is circular shape. Okay, partially, sometimes partially or sometimes completely it surrounds the lagoon and form a circle shape. This is the atoll. Now children, here you can see this is the map list issued by CBSE from this chapter. So we are having mountain ranges. In mountain ranges, the Karakoram, the Jaskar, the Shivalik, the Aravalli, the Vindhya, the Satpura, and Western and Eastern Ghats. This we have to locate in physical map of India. Okay, we can use physical as well as political. It is up to you, but because this is a physical feature, so try to use physical map for this map work. Then mountain peaks, the K2, Kanchenjunga and Anaimudi. Only 3 mountain peak you have to locate: K2, Kanchenjunga and Anaimudi. Plateaus, Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Malwa Plateau, and then coastal plains: Konkan, Malabar, Coromandel and Northern Sarkar. This is our map list issued by CBSE, And beta, just a map list I have given you with this video. This you have to note down in your fair notebook. Like this, as the heading I have given chapter 2 physical feature of India map list issued by CBSE, and the headings, and one by one the description. So this map list should be in your fair notebook, and another side you have to paste the map I will send with the assignment. Okay, when along with this videos, when I will send the assignment, the question answers, along with that the map will be there. So you will complete the map also and will paste in your notebook. Okay, thank you. This chapter gets over here. So next week, next week means 10, after 10, whatever the date would be there, on that day I will take the test from this portion, from Peninsular Plateau till Island. Okay, and rest of the very short questions or the exercise questions mostly I have covered in my assignments, or if one or two is left, very short type of, so that that I'll give you as homework, so that you have to find by your own and will have to complete. Okay, and MCQs question you will do in your in your book only, no need to complete in notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.